Hello everyone. So I'm going to start Python tutorial videos. Okay, where I'll cover from very basic to very advanced. And on today's video, we will discuss how things actually work behind the scene and what are the different type of basic data structures or basic data types in Python. And we'll also understand how output and input actually works. Okay, how this things actually works. Okay, so when we write a Python code in any id, it could be okay PyCharm or VS Code. Okay, the Python interpreter then converts the code into the byte code. Okay, dot pyc. Okay, then after that the PVM, that is the Python virtual machine, converts that byte code into the machine code. Okay, this is overall scenario, high level architecture which I'm telling you. The same thing actually happens in Java also. So the Java code is converted into the Java, not byte code, using the Java compiler, and the byte code is then converted to the Python, not machine code, using the Java virtual machine. ठीक है, but the same thing does not happens in C++. In C++, the compiler directly converts it into machine code. ठीक है, so let's discuss about some basic data structure in Python. Then we, uh, we will know that how this actually works. Okay, so we have integer, हमारे पास integer है. ठीक है, we have string and we have फ्लोट वैल्यू को हम कैसे डिनोट कर सकते हैं? कोई भी डेसिमल पॉइंट्स के साथ 10.4. दिस इज द सो इससे क्या पॉइंट आउट होता है कि ए हमारा इंटीजर है, बी स्ट्रिंग है एंड सी इज द फ्लोट. ठीक है, एंड इफ आई असाइन डी इज इक्वल टू ट्रू और फॉल्स, ठीक है, फॉल्स, देन वो हमारा बूलियन वैल्यू होगी. ठीक है, तो एक बार लेट्स डीप डाउन इनटू इट, दैट हाउ दिस एक्चुअली stores, how our Python interpreter actually stores these value into our RAM. Okay, so what actually happens is, when we assign a value, suppose a is equal to 10. Okay, then a value 10 is assigned into our RAM. Okay, and the memory address is pointed to a. So whenever I print the value a, ठीक है, it will give me the value 10. ठीक है, तो इससे ये पॉइंट आउट होता है कि 10 वैल्यू हमारे स्टोर्ड है. ठीक है, एंड उसका जो मेमोरी एड्रेस है वो लिंक्ड है ए के साथ. ठीक है, एंड अब देखते हैं कि अगर इफ यू वांट टू नो कि हाउ मच स्टोरेज द वैल्यू ए हैज kept with himself from that RAM. So we will write some code to know that. Okay, ठीक है, सो अगर हमें देखना है कि हाउ मच स्टोरेज, ओके, हाउ मच बाइट्स इट हैज स्टोर्ड, so let's see that. So this will give us the total amount of bytes it has stored in the RAM. Okay, so here we can see 28 bytes. ठीक है, 28 bytes it has stored, and 1 bytes is equal to 8 bits. That is 28 bytes into 8 bits, that is 2224 bits. So हमें then we came to know that that many bits or bytes are stored by a single variable. Okay, and ये value हमारी range होती है. Suppose if I print a, okay, not if I get right now that how many memory it has stored. ठीक है, right now. So earlier it was 28, when I have kept it to 10 value. Now let's see, it is 36. So value will also increase with the size of the variables also. Okay, so okay, we have talked about the basic data structure, not basic data types, that is the integer, string, float and the boolean. Okay, so now let's see how we can take the input. Okay, so suppose we write a code input. Okay, this code will take the input. Okay, and this will perform the output operation. Okay, so suppose if I hit it, then man, this is a new tutorial. Okay, so and if I press the enter, okay, तो हमारे ये चीज़ें प्रिंट हो रही हैं. ठीक है, तो this is this is our first lecture, and we have talked about the basic data types, how input and output works. ठीक है, how we can know that how much memory is allocated to an individual variable using that import sys. And okay, and we have also talked about that how the python code is compiled and run into the and its code is converted into that machine code. Okay, so hope you like this video, and we will talk about more, okay, in another video. So till then, thank you guys. Jai Shri Ram.